Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade apple jelly. First, choose firm, ripe apples as they contain the most natural pectin for setting. Wash your apples thoroughly, then quarter them, removing any bruised parts or seeds. Place the apple pieces in a large pot, cover them with water, and simmer until they are very soft, which usually takes about 20 minutes. This step extracts the apple's flavor and pectin. Once your apples are soft, it's time to extract the juice. Carefully pour the cooked apple mixture into a jelly bag or a colander lined with several layers of cheesecloth. Let the juice drip naturally, ideally overnight, without squeezing the bag. Squeezing can make your jelly cloudy. After dripping, measure the clear apple juice. You will typically need about 4 cups for a standard batch of jelly. Now let's cook the jelly. In a large, heavy-bottomed pot, combine your measured apple juice, the appropriate amount of sugar, and any added pectin if your apples are low in natural pectin. Bring this mixture to a full, rolling boil that cannot be stirred down. Boil vigorously for exactly 1 minute, then remove the pot from the heat. Quickly skim off any foam that has formed on the surface for a clear jelly. Finally, it's time to preserve your delicious apple jelly. Ladle the hot jelly into sterilized canning jars, leaving 1/4 inch of headspace at the top. Wipe the jar rims clean, apply lids, and screw on the bands until fingertip tight. Process the jars in a boiling water canner for 10 minutes to ensure a proper seal. Let them cool undisturbed. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade apple jelly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.